What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. It has been a minute since I have even been in the garden, but I'm super excited because if you've been following me for a couple of years now, you know that I wear these yellow gardening boots right here in almost all my videos. I have been wearing these boots for about 3 years and they are well loved. I don't have any issues with these boots. These boots are still going strong and they are going to continue to be in my collection. HISEA, which is the brand of the boots that I've been wearing for years, they sent me out 2 more pairs of boots to try out for you guys, and I am so excited. I got 2 pairs because I'm going to be wearing them in 2 separate parts of the garden, and I felt like that was very necessary at this stage of gardening for me, and it would just make things more fun. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these shoes with you guys. We're going to try them on, we're going to test them out, so let's do it. The first pair that I got from HISEA are these ankle boots. So let's open them up. I will have the exact name to these boots on the screen. So the thing about HISEA is they do offer a lifetime warranty. So that's always great. Let's open these babies up. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh, these are gorgeous. I opted for these. Let me open up this other one. Here are the boots, and these are their black floral boots. Oh, I thought these were so cute when I saw them on the website and had to have them. I think they will be perfect for upcoming fall, just the colors and everything. I opted for an ankle boot because I am on this patio all the time, cleaning up, doing things, seed starting, watering plants, watering seedlings, and I needed something that would be quick and easy to slip on my foot that I could just use around the patio area and the front porch area when I'm watering my hanging baskets and, you know, just container gardening in general for just this area here. Let's go ahead and try these on. OMG, these fit literally like a glove. I wear a size 7 and they fit my foot perfectly. They are true size 7. They are so comfortable. I'm liking the little slight heel on the back. It makes me feel less flat-footed, I guess, but these are super comfortable. I already know I'm gonna be in love with them. Super easy to slip on. Let's take them off, let's see. Super easy to take off. And just use the pull tab to put them on. Let's test them out. All right, y'all, so let's really put these to the test. These ankle boots are gonna be used on this patio area and in my front porch area, so let's do some work. Let me straighten up. I haven't really been out here lately because I've been trying to get the kids ready for school and everything, so it's just kind of been a mess. I just need to organize things and put things where they go. To do that, everything up off the floor. All right, so that was just a very light cleanup of the patio, and what I typically do out here, I just sweep and I'll go ahead and wipe down some of the surfaces and things like that, and then I'll occasionally have to water some of these container plants and seedlings. And so that's really what these are for, just being out here and just, you know, dilly-dallying around. So these are perfect. I barely feel them on. They feel like a second skin, honestly, and I absolutely love them. They passed the test. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next pair that I chose. Oh my gosh, look at this. So this is what the boot looks like. Oh my goodness, isn't that so nice? I just love the detailing on here. Like, I like the buckle. And I saw that they had this extra feature on there. So when you're taking your boots off, you can step 1 foot on the back of the heel and it'll make it easier to get your boots off. So this is camo. The top is camo and the bottom is black. The bottom is waterproof. It's rubber. It's not going to get wet. So your toes are going to stay nice and dry. Let me get the other one out. I'm loving the camo. These will go with everything. And I'm loving the orange detail and the buckle on the side of those. So I opted for these because I have a huge backyard, and back there, the grass can get pretty high. And when you're walking through a garden that has vegetation, watermelons, pumpkins, all the things, you want something that's gonna protect your feet and your legs. And so I got these for out in the big raised bed garden when I need to water and be walking through all the grass. You just never know if there are going to be any snakes or anything out there. We are in Texas, so you want to stay protected, and these are what I chose for out in the big raised bed garden. So HISEA is a 10 out of 10 boot company. I would highly recommend getting a pair of garden shoes from them. They have a ton of different styles and things like that, and a lifetime warranty. So definitely check them out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try these on, see how they fit and see how they work in the actual garden. Let's see. Wow. Those are a nice fit too. Super easy to slip right on. Let's put this one on. Okay. So these are definitely more structured, I would say, right through here. Like, this whole shoe area is very structured and solid. Let's see about this. I believe this cinches a little bit more, so. Oh yeah, there we go. So if you have a smaller calf like I do, you can tighten it like that. And then this little thing is going to keep this clasp down. Wow, I really like these as well. These are going to be perfect for being out in the raised bed because I don't know what's out there. You can make this a little bit tighter for smaller calves because I don't really have any calves. That's from the front, from the side. And let's test out this little notch on the back of the heel and see if that helps get the boot off any easier. Oh yeah, that's great. That is a great feature. Oh, I love that. And I'm loving the chunkiness of the soles. I think that's cute. All right, and these are a size 7 as well. So I am in a 7, and the 7 fits pretty well. These have a little bit more room in the toe area than the other ankle boots, but those are it. And we are gonna head out to the big raised bed garden so I can show you why we need 2 pairs. All right, so this is the big raised bed garden, and the grass can get super high out here, and there are a ton of spiders and all the things. So I think these boots are gonna do the trick. We're gonna go ahead and water this garden and see if these boots can hold up. There's already a sticky bug in my boot. That's why I need these. So there, y'all know sticky bugs. Them things be getting all in your socks. So I'm happy to have these. Let's go grab the hose and let's get to it.
DJ done set, we day alright. Body done form not to play all night and that. Baba, we day alright. Loud that tune and I see my fresh.
So I'm already loving these. They're definitely gonna keep me warm in the fall, for sure. I can tuck my pants into them. They're not too tight. I can tighten them if I need to. They feel good. I feel secure out here. Like I can handle anything. Y'all see my watermelons? We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is nice. This is nice. That sticky bug right in my boot already, and I'm glad I have these on.
So make we dance, so I'ma get make me dance. All of them moms no get chance, so baby them no get chance. I know they thank you, ain't no other shorty like you. So make we dance, your romance, so I'ma get make me dance. Shall I be to find you? I'ma get make me dance. Say make I mind you, I'ma get make me dance. Why I they find you? I'ma get make me dance. Oh baby dance, I'ma get make me. So make we dance, so I'ma get make me dance. All of them mans no get chance, so baby them no get chance. I know they thank you, ain't no other shorty like you. So make we dance, your romance, so I'ma get make me dance.
All right, so we are back from the garden and giving these boots a wear, and I can truly say that these boots stood up to the test for what I need them for, these on this porch and these out in the large raised bed garden. And I am so excited. I'm excited to alternate my boots. I love how these fit and feel. These are super lightweight. They almost feel like a second skin. And these are more sturdy and rugged, and they're just going to hold up to what you need them to hold up for, if you know what I mean. So they both are just perfect in their own way, and I'm so excited to use them. So if you want to get your hands on some of these for yourself, make sure that you check the link in my description box. I will have a discount code for you guys, 15% off. I'll link it here and I'll link it down in the description box below so you can check that out. Thank you so much, HISEA, for sponsoring this video. All right, Royals, I will see you in my next video. Bye.